Welcome back to How to Mobile Photo. I'm Radha Krishnan Chakyat, and today we are at the stunning Shaniwarwada in Pune, India. And we will be learning how to capture monuments and add a perspective with Vivo X100 Pro, which is powered by the mighty MediaTek Dimensity 9300. Before we dive in, let's prep our phones for action. Remember the golden rule? A clean lens makes the world of difference. Activate those grid lines too. They will be your guide to a balanced composition. Shaniwarwada was built in 1732 as the seat of the Peshwas of the Maratha Empire. Originally a 7-storied building, it suffered a massive damage from a fire in 1828, and what remains now stands as a testament to its glorious past. I decided to shoot the high resolution images, which is available in the wide, standard and tele mode, all 3 independent 50 megapixel sensors. It has 6 gates, including this famous Dili Darwaza, which was designed to withstand elephant charges. Look at the details. On this micro shot, and see how sharp these images are. And switch to wide angle mode, just change the angle, and look how magnificent this gate is. Photography is about creativity, so don't be afraid to break the rules sometimes. For example, the shot of this dog sleeping. Using the ultra wide lens, I also included my feet in the shot. I really like this frame. Remember, leading lines like the pathways can draw the viewer's eye into the photo. Put an element in the foreground, it adds more depth, like the lone person walking towards the camera. Now let's ditch the eye-level shot. Let's get creative. Climb higher to, let's say, a bird's eye view of this sprawling complex. Now this is the wide angle, equivalent to a 15 mm in full frame, full resolution 50 megapixel. This one is the 23 mm, which is the standard lens, again high resolution 50 megapixel. And look at this area. I'm going to shift to tele now. And the Zeiss Apo floating telephoto camera with its impressive zoom capabilities. Look at this telephoto shot. See how clean it is. Not just Shaniwarwada, all monuments, they offer endless possibilities. Mobile phone cameras are surprisingly good at capturing both sweeping landscapes and intricate details. Don't miss the intricate details like this one, this lock, and this chain. We came across this really old banyan tree with this amazing prop roots. I quickly applied the black and white filter to the photo mode and took these images. And then we came across this bird. Wasn't that an interesting journey through the history? Well, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too. So before we sign off, let me tell you about MediaTek Dimensity 9300. MediaTek Dimensity 9300 comes with a great bunch of features that makes your phone performance better. exceptional generative AI engine. The world's first hardware-based generative AI engine offers innovative and personalized AI experiences. All big core CPU, 8 cores of extreme performance. The latest ARM Cortex-X4 and Cortex-A720 processors deliver the ultimate performance for all your tasks. MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. Your smartphone photography, gaming, and daily tasks are taken to the next level. Happy snapping. See you in the next video.